All right. Are you feeling okay?
Yeah, I don't think I get COVID. I'm just I don't know.
Okay.
Probably
That's good.
watch too much this show about saying and stuff. Stop getting touched. Yeah, I was so moved.
Oh, I see.
Yep. So let's go back to this. Hmm. Yeah, I was watching how to say. Let me show you this show. I hope there's something similar in the States. There might be, but I just don't know. Say I was watching season 3 and season 4 of this. It's called the coming one.
The coming one? What
It's
is it
like
about?
a reality show, but for it is a reality show for music.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Do you know any Chinese like celebrities for
No,
singing?
not really.
Let me say do you know her? Like she is quite popular recently. This girl.
I don't think I recognize the name.
And who else must be recent? Yeah, so basically this lady is also in one of those show as a judge thing.
I see.
Yeah, so
Okay.
she sang the Chinese version of the, was it Interstellar?
Oh.
I think so. Yeah, because and so yep, with passengers, not Interstellar. So this.
That's cool.
Yep. So that's her kind of MOE thing. Yeah, but
That's cool.
Yeah, but I was out watching the season 4. There's a couple bands thing going on.
Oh, nice, nice.
Yeah, and it was pretty touching.
Hmm.
All right, let's go back to this. So,
Do you want to do the team invitation thing first?
oh yeah,
Okay, cool.
Discord. How did I do that? No. Wait. Invite. Yeah, sorry, I think I disconnect myself.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, one sec. How do I do the invite thing again? Invite? Do you remember how to invite people? Team invite. Oh, there we go. And a. Yeah, okay, find it.
Okay, cool. Yay!
All right, finally, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's tomorrow, right? Is it tomorrow?
Yeah, it is tomorrow.
Oh, I thought it was next week. Oh, shit.
Yeah, I think it starts 6 p.m. tomorrow, so that's like in 22 hours.
Okay, that's all right. I have no idea, but we should be fine.
Okay. How are we gonna find when are we gonna find the other members? Because we're gonna have a team of 4, right?
Do we?
I don't know, isn't it teams of 4?
I don't know. I don't know neither. I haven't looked into this whole channel thing.
I think so. Let's see. I don't think there's like any strict rules though, so we don't have to have 4. Let's see.
We can look for people. Maybe after the thing starts. Or should we do it now?
Well, after it starts, when people already have found teams.
Typically, if it's like in-person hackathon. Wait, I think you have done in-person hackathon. Yeah, for the Berkeley hack or whatever it was called.
Oh, I mean that wasn't really in person. I still pretty much did it virtual.
Gotcha. Yeah, but the typical flow is the kick started, they announce the theme, and people start to kind of get to know each other and think about projects, and then start building. But yeah, but it could be good. You can look for people.
Okay.
I just
Sounds
threw
good.
something in there. Team of 2, looking for people. And then I just threw our link in there. Is that fine?
Yeah. Or is there a specific type of people we want, or like skills that we want, or does it really matter?
Yeah. Technically, if they can do Flutter, that would be great. Or any
Okay.
other front end, back end. We need a front end, back end, Um, and then algorithm, and then picture.
Hmm.
Actually, I think they could do a reality show for Hackathon. That'd be cool.
Yeah, you actually could do that.
Yeah, like get all of them competing for the perfect product. Oh,
Yeah,
that'd be so cool.
that'd be interesting.
Yeah, I would watch it. Watch all those front end, back end algorithm people, UI UX people fighting each other.
Hmm. Yeah. Huh.
The
All
thing
right.
is, if someone won, they must have built something.
Mm.
So it comes with productivity instead
Mm-hmm.
of a piece of music. So instead of an entertainment, so that might be cool.
Hmm. Yeah, interesting concept.
Yeah, I should go back China and organize it.
Perfect.
Uh,
All right, what are we doing today?
Let me send out this first.
Okay.
We need some UI UX. What else you don't want to do?
Mm.
UI UX. Pitcher. You want to do pitch?
Oh yeah, the picture. Okay.
Do you want to be the pitcher?
Oh, yeah, I can do that too.
Okay.
I'm cool
So
with
we
that.
don't need the pitcher.
Okay.
What else do we need? Front end. Do you want to do front end?
Um, I could try. Yeah.
Okay. How about back end?
Oh. I'm down to like try anything. I'm not like super skilled in any one of them, so I'm just gonna be trying new things.
Which one you prefer not to do? You're thinking that is beyond your interest.
Uh, um, well, actually, now that I was thinking about it, like it would be interesting to like design the pitch, but I don't actually know how to like make videos and edit videos.
Oh, so we need some kind of a video editing.
Yeah.
Okay. Um, what else?
Mm,
So we need to present that idea, code up a prototype, and implement some kind of a backend, front end, machine learning algorithm.
hmm.
Which one? Actually, which one you are mostly interested in?
I mean, I'm probably more interested in back end,
Okay,
but you
so
can put me wherever I'm gonna be the most useful.
gotcha. I mean, I would think you would perform better do you're most interested, like backend.
Hmm. Yeah.
So actually, why backend?
I'm not exactly sure. I mean, like that's just kind of what I'm hoping to explore now.
Okay.
I don't have like a concrete reason.
Something smells really good.
Hmm.
Like the wind smells like perfume.
Oh, well,
Yeah, I
the
don't know.
wind. You
Yeah,
outside?
yeah, the wind is smelling. I don't know what's going on. Probably a volcano eruption.
Oh.
Okay, so we need some UI UX, video editor, and front end.
Mm.
With that, you can do the backend, which would be the server side kind of coding.
Mhm.
You need to go log into the cloud devices, deploy them, and also HTTP server, RESTful server, lots of fun.
Okay.
And I can do the algorithm one. Basically, I will give you a model to deploy to the data scientist kind of thing.
Okay.
Yep, to make it more fancy and more interesting.
Okay.
If we don't find any, we will just take the other 3 spots. So that are UI UX, video editor, and front end.
Okay.
All right, so I'll put that down. Team of 2, looking for people. We need some UI UX, video editor, and front end. Let me see. Aspiring backend engineer.
Hmm.
A few ideas, but willing to join. Currently learning Rust. Okay. Rust? He wants to do web dev backend. Oh wait, are you going to Amazon?
Yeah.
When?
This summer. Oh, like
Which will be.
um June to August.
Oh, so you mean this winter?
Hmm. Winter. Is that summer? June.
No,
June
no,
is.
not
Hmm.
for me.
Oh. Oh, I see. I see.
We are at the end of the summer right now.
Oh, that's funky.
Yep. I mean, we're at the right hemisphere, so.
Mhm. I see. I see.
Let me see. Wait, hold on. What are you going to do?
At
Uh,
Amazon?
yeah.
I don't know yet. They tell you. They don't even tell you your team until like very late, like a month before you move there.
Oh,
It's
you're going to Seattle. You're going to this.
yeah. So right now the position is just like the software development engineer intern, but I don't know what team I'm working on.
I used to play Dota with a team of Seattle Amazon people.
Oh, really?
Literally every day.
Hmm, that's
Uh,
funny.
yeah, but then I quit Dota pretty much,
I see.
taking too much time. They are working on the CI/CD pipeline. Another
Hmm,
dude working on the data scientist.
I see.
Yeah, I can probably throw you their profile.
Okay, sure.
Let me see.
Also, just as a note, I have to leave at 10, so in an hour and a half, because I have another meeting for robotics.
Okay. In that case, let's stop doing that then. Let's go back to our thing.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, I got an invite already.
Oh, cool.
but I have no idea who he is. All right, never mind. So let's go back to our design, which Seattle. Oh, interesting. You can also go to the Washington University.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so that was ran. Let me look at this. Let's try. I have an idea on the UI UX side, but I'm just saying we don't have to do it. I think it's taking a lot of work.
Mm-hmm.
But the idea is, you know how we have the countdown timer in the middle of the screen?
Yeah.
Instead of doing that, we can have the age of the screen. Like we have a bar kind of thing. Let me see if I can find this. Razor. Charging animation. And, so we can have a bar kind of animation at the edge of the screen that overlays everything. It could be like a line, but also something like a bar. And then as the timer goes, it kind of drains itself.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
So your whole screen at the edge of the screen works like a timer.
Mm-hmm.
And when the timer is down, it turns like from green to red, something like that. And it flickers a little bit.
Oh, okay. So you mean like a progress bar that would like shrink in size as the time goes down, or just changes in color as the time goes down?
Changes color and make a
Okay.
sound. Let me put that in the Figma thing a little bit.
Okay.
Can I edit this? Yeah, I don't think I can. Yeah, but you get the idea, right? So at the edge of the
Yeah.
screen, it will have this kind of a training, so you don't have to look at the number to tell how much time you left. You can focus on whatever you're doing. It overlays your current screen.
But wouldn't it be easier to just look at a number than like look at a color and determine where that color would be on the scale?
Yes, it would be, but it's kind of distracting.
Okay,
You
I
need
see.
to look at another screen to determine how much time you left.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, I think for
Um,
me, I'm just saying we are not doing it, but just one kind of my idea. For me, it's kind of easier, so I focus on my task. Then I saw these bar drains and flickers and make a sound. I know it's time is up.
okay.
And then I can swap back into this, into some screen with the number and stuff. It's
I
like
see. Okay,
it's like a extension.
I see. So it's just like two different screen appearances that you can switch between while the counter is going down.
Yep. So it's like an overlay, app overlay, like some graphics driver could do.
Okay, I see.
Yep. But
How would we show that in Figma? Do we want a whole nother screen?
I think it's taking a lot of work. Let's not do that now. I can
Okay.
put that as a lab issue in the Gitlab feature, and in the future, someday when we want to do it, we can give it a try.
Okay.
I was hoping someone could get the idea, because I'm too lazy to put it down. Get the idea and someone coded it up, then I just use it. I got that idea from one of the older phones that I had. So Motorola phone. At the age of the phone, there is a indicator of how much battery you left on your phone.
I see.
So instead of not instead, it has both actually. So your whole phone kind of shows the status. Yeah,
I see.
you don't have to like pay a special attention to the age of the corner of the screen. Yep, so that's that. All right, let's code the first screen.
Okay.
So,
Do you want me to share screen?
yep.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see, where is this exit for screen? No, I don't want exit for screen. Oh. All right. So, why I can see myself at the bottom? Anyway. Yep, so let's go to the code base. Yep.
The code. Okay.
And then wait, let's go to the GitLab repository. And then click on the issues. You gotta make a branch. Figma one.
Wait. Oh.
Yeah. Actually, after we code up the first screen, you wanted to do backend, right? I will show you how to do certain kind of backend. And then create merge request.
Oh, okay.
And then squash. Checkpoint. Check the squash commits when merge request is accepted. Yeah. And then create merge request. Yep. Now go to the GitLab. And I mean, go to your code, VS Code. Yep. Git pull. Yep. And then git checkout. And second space. Yeah, probably space second tab. Wait, it doesn't give you anything?
It doesn't give it, yeah.
Interesting. All right, yep. Check out. I mean, something is wrong with the Git thing. But anyway. So now we are free to modify this.
Okay.
So in our screen, we have what's in our screen? Let's go back to the Figma. Actually, we should start from a requirement analysis, but never mind that. We should start with the requirement analysis, but that's not relatable to front-end design. Yep. Nice. So we have a rectangle, a button, a scaffold. Yep.
Yeah. Okay, that's good enough for now.
Yep. Maybe give it a try.
All right.
Try the display. Yeah.
Mm.
Present. Yeah.
Wait, how do we start from?
Yeah, you probably need to drag the flow thing.
Oh, okay. I also realized we never figured out a way to simulate the timer going down, so we can't get from this page to this page.
We can just drag the page. Not the drag the page. Yeah. You see that select the whole screen instead of that. Yeah. And then select the full screen. Yep. There's a run. Yep. And then drag it there. Yep.
Okay, okay.
Yep. There we go. Yep.
Okay. Okay. Oh, okay.
Yep.
All right. Sprint.
Yep.
Okay. Reset.
Yep.
Sync.
Yep.
Recap. And then this should bring us back to this. Yeah.
Wait, is there something amazing?
Yeah.
It's
'Cause
either recap or another sprint.
oh, okay, sure.
Right. Otherwise, our cycle has one sprint. Yeah. And we might also want to change the sprint length. Instead of 9-minute sprint, we can do other ones. But let's worry about that later. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
And cycle. Yep. And
Okay.
then click the screen. Click again. Let's see if it works. Yep. There we go. Nice. Perfect. That's functional. Yep. So let's code up the first screen at the top. Yeah.
Okay.
So we need a column and another button.
Okay.
Yep. First, let's change the title. It should not be the blessed demo. Yeah, and then this is some theme data. Do we need color blue, color green?
Okay. What is the theme data?
It's just some kind of theme, I guess. And then the title of the thing you need to yeah, not the flat demo page, but home should be the my home page title 20 homepage something. Oh no, the other title.
Uh,
Yeah.
wait,
In
what do
the
you mean?
constant variable.
Oh,
No,
okay.
lower at the home. Yep. So our home,
Oh,
home variable should be a different one. Yep.
um,
Yep. Yep. Save it and run. See how it goes. Or are there any bug?
I don't know why it doesn't like this.
Doesn't like
Okay.
your color. See, click on the problems tab.
Okay, I'll switch it back. Mm. How do I get it to give me the preset colors?
Color, delete the dot. Yeah, and then dot. Maybe you change it back to what it was first.
Yeah. Colors. Oh.
Yeah. Maybe ignore those unknown words. If you go to the problems. And right click. Add to workspace setting. Yeah, add this.
Mm.
Yeah. Add this. Yep. Yeah, add this. Oh, it does change to green. Interesting.
Mm.
I thought it was a placeholder. Maybe a tinting? Do we have the top bar thing? In our Figma?
Oh, no, we don't.
Yeah, then maybe get rid of it. Yeah, our top bar is, we don't have the top bar thing. Yeah, so go back to our app. Figure out where they put this. Start
Wait.
page. Yeah, where is the title? Let's go back. So go down. Wait. Go up, I think. Yeah. So my app, theme, primary switch, this, my homepage constantly. Yep. I go to the my homepage definition. Yeah, then go further. Then state, create homepage state, increment counter. Yeah, this is counter controller. Go down. App, yep. App bar, you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Delete this.
All of it?
Yep. Now save it. And then look at the app. Reload it. I mean, let's go back to we have Studio. There is wait, oh okay. Is it R? I think it's R. Press R at the terminal.
Art.
Yep. Look at the yep.
Oh, okay.
Now that thing's gone. Now let's put another row instead of column at the body. Actually, column should be fine. Yep. So the scaffold is, yeah, if we move your cursor to the scaffold, it will tell you what scaffold is. Scroll a little lower. create a visual scaffold material design widgets. So widgets is like a component, if you know Angular or anything else. A component is like there's a part of the screen.
Yeah, just something on the screen.
Yep.
Okay.
So I explain you what's going on here. So first we have a column widget. So column is a layout. Yep. So that explains it actually. Layout widget, it lists the children and arrange them vertically by default. Columns have various properties, control which side and blah blah blah. So it has a list of widgets as children, and it centers around the screen, and it has text. It has two texts. You have pushed the button many times, right? So basically, we want to first add another widget on top of this text, which would be what's our Figma design? Let's go back to take a look. Okay, so it's a whole row. So it's a whole rectangle of this. So let's search Google for ladder rectangle widget or something. Yep. And go to the most thumbed up one. Yep. Padding. Okay. Yeah, just copy and paste this padding, see what it does.
Okay. Just this whole thing?
Just the padding. Padding
Here.
with the parentheses thing.
Okay. Let's see, where does this go to?
Yeah, your eyesight test is on.
This first one's for container. This one?
I think so.
Okay.
It lines up to the code. Yep. Yeah, this is it, I think.
Okay. And then
So
do I put
it.
it in here?
No, in front of the. Not in front. You see that list? That open angled bracket. Not angled. Yeah. This what do you call this? What?
Yeah, the square bracket?
Yeah, square bracket. Yep. Thank you.
Okay.
And then start a new line. 5%. Yep. And then paste it here. Yep. Yeah, remove those that's ease recording and blah blah, all those bad attributes. Remove the shape, remove the border radius. Yep. 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 Now save it. It's still complaining about something. Yeah, it looks like there are too many. Yeah.
Is this supposed to be?
Unless click on the problems. Too many. You click on it. You will say positional must occur before name arguments. Remove all the position arguments. We have a named argument here, which means it's treating the whole thing as part of the padding, which is not supposed to be. Yeah. So
am I missing
we're
some
missing
of the...
parentheses, I think. Wait. Put your cursor by the open padding parentheses. Yep. Yeah. Move your cursor there. Okay, yeah, we are missing one. So something is wrong here. If I put another one, yep. Yep. There we go. Perfect. Now save it. Yeah, you will auto indent and prefer constant constructors. Size box for white space and necessary new keyword. Prefer constant with constant constructors. Do we have constant constructors?
Is this supposed to be in front of the padding?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, let's do that because it is constant constructor. Yep, that's right. No, both.
Oh.
Yeah, I think that's what it's trying to say. And then, what's the new problem? The constructor being called isn't a constructor.
Oh, okay.
Prefer constant with constant constructors. Which one is constant constructor?
Maybe the container?
Maybe the new. You see the decoration? It's new. There's a constant constructor in the new. Put a constant new.
Where's the... Oh, here?
Yeah. What was it saying? It's not finding something. Yeah. Delete the constant. I don't know. Age all. Which one is the constant one? Click on the quick fix. Yep, add. No, yep, there we go. And then
Okay.
should be your command and period. Move your cursor to the thing. Move your cursor to the blue thing. Yep, command and period. Yeah, it's the same thing. Click on it. Yep. 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 What does this say? Size box for white space.
Size box?
So there's a size box. Where is the size box? Oh, box decoration. Okay, I see. For empty space. So we do have an empty space because we deleted the whole thing. It's alright. It's kind of on purpose. Now save it.
Okay.
And then reload it. Yep, we have the little box.
Okay, so just make it bigger now.
Yep, make it bigger and span across the whole screen.
Is there a way that it can automatically, like, do I have to play around with the number, or can I have it automatically, like, extend to the
edge of the screen? Yep. Google it. Screen width, I think. Yep. The first one should do it. Actually, the second one is exactly what we want. With media query of context, size width. Yeah, I think this one. Yeah, let's try. It doesn't look very good, but yeah, you replace the comma there. Yeah, there we go. Let's try it. Yep. Almost there.
Why is it like almost?
No idea.
Interesting.
I think it's intended because if it's the whole way through, it's considered ugly, I guess.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
And then a little wider. Yep.
Okay, we can just adjust this one manually then, right? How about we do?
Maybe divide by that number, so it's like what's that thing? What? Yeah,
Like a
yeah,
portion or a fraction of the
yeah,
screen.
like a quarter of it. Yeah,
Can I do
something.
that?
Yep. Save it,
Okay.
and then reload it. Yeah,
Okay.
getting closer. Now we need to put some text inside. I'll change the color to green. Yep.
Okay.
Now save it. Save it and save it changes to green. Yep, actually commit it because we made a lot of changes. Go to the left toolbar thing. Yep, and then click on the first one. The changes, the first one, the settings change. Yeah, look at this. See what did we change? Yeah, so explain. So ignore spelling, something like that for packages, basically. Why you use passive voice, like past voice?
Oh, add spelling or add
Oh, I mean,
keyword.
I'm asking a honest question, like
Oh, I don't know. It's out of habit because it's something that we did in the past.
yes, we did. But if we remove it, you save two characters, and it's think we are like think our tree is the main branch, and now it's branching out, and you play as the nature asking the tree why you're branching out. You see add keywords.
I see.
Yeah,
Okay.
so that kind of helps me to picture it, because you are doing a commit. It's like a leaf node kind of thing for the branch.
I see. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not checking your homework, so
Okay.
yes,
And then
there you
this
go.
one.
Yeah. And what we are doing here, describe it. I'll put a semicolon. Wait.
Okay.
How do you call this? Yeah, that is semicolon. Yeah. You don't have to scroll. Let me show you one thing. So look at the first one. What did we do? Change the title. And also try all lower caps. So forgot about the change title. Yep, semicolon. And then we also changed the color of the theme. Yep, now it's complaining. And then that means we did too much things, but it's okay. It's your first commit anyway.
Okay.
Yeah, keep going, and then now go to the right. No, don't scroll it. That's a bad.
Okay.
Go to the right, top right of your IDE. Yep, click on this. Click on this again. Click on this again. Now what we did here.
Deleted app bar.
Yep.
Or delete app bar.
Yep. Yeah, you don't need to capitalize anything.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's just easier. Yeah, and then go. You see, there's a shortcut for doing this. If you move your cursor there to the button, remember this shortcut.
Okay.
Now try it. Option of F5.
Okay.
Is he doing it? Is it? He's giving you something. You probably need to move your focus to the code. Yeah, and then try the option. Is it doing it?
No.
What's going on? Option?
What am I doing? Yeah, the option.
F5. Let me try on
F5.
mine.
Yeah.
1 sec. Option F5. Oh, you probably didn't press the FN button. That's why.
Oh.
Did you?
Oh, there you go. Okay.
Yeah, you didn't press the FN button. Yeah.
Mm. Okay.
Yep, the function. So, yeah, basically describing. We actually add the box.
Oh, is that not what this?
Yeah.
What's padding?
Padding is part of the box. Actually, that's why it didn't go all the way to the edge of the screen.
Oh.
Because there is a padding. Yeah, edge of
Edge
all has a
is oh, so
32.
it's 32 pixels.
If you put that to 0 and try it again. Yeah, save it and rerun it. Yep.
Oh.
There we go.
Okay.
And then
Did we need this then?
let's keep it anyway. It's doing its job.
Okay.
Yeah, basically add a, what do you call the logo box? What you call this? Logo box? Yeah. We have our attendee as logo kind of thing. And then we put a box. So that might be the logo box, I guess.
Oh, okay, sure.
Yeah. So, and keep on going. Are there any other one? I don't think there's any.
I think that was it.
Yep. So save it and commit it.
Okay.
Click on that check mark. Always. A sync change.
I'm clicking.
Yeah. And then you can combine those two into one. Okay, and don't show again. We'd like to code periodically. Yep. So it's fetching the remote every now and then. So you keep updates to everything. That's all right. Yeah.
Okay.
There we go. Your first commit. And that concludes our first sprint, I guess.
Cool. Now for here, do I close out this one or this one?
Close this working tree. It's basically comparing. Just pose your chain.
Okay.
Yep. Now let's do something else. Let me show you how to do the backend thing. Let's go to the other branch. I mean the code, the Gitlab. Yeah, the Gitlab thing.
Oh.
Yep. The other issue. Static hosting. Yep. Create merge request. Yep, and then scratch commits. Yep. So what is static hosting?
I have no idea.
Google it. Oh, that sounds very. Yeah, it is what it is, but it doesn't make much sense. So it's basically. So if you look at YouTube, there's a video, and people will do interaction with it, right?
Mhm.
So that's not static because that's interactive. So think a billboard that's
Mhm.
static. So you put something information there, like documentation,
Mhm.
Wikipedia page, that's static. A dynamic
Okay.
one requires interactions, like you upload something, you watch video, upload new video, and put a chat. Or like Facebook, you have instant messaging, and a lot of JavaScript apps, and those are dynamic.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
So static hosting basically just says you don't have much database and all that.
Okay, that makes sense. So
Yeah.
static hosting, it is what it is. It doesn't need to access anything to work.
Yeah. It's basically a web app without backend,
Mhm. I see.
or with the most simple backend. You just fetch a HTML and then display it.
Mhm.
Yep. So yep, that's what static hosting is. And now we are making um a auto, so like continuous deployment script to deploy this app to Gitlab to do static hosting. That's our goal.
Okay.
And how do we do that?
Um, I don't know. So you're trying to do static hosting with GitLab?
Yes. Gitlab actually put the space and then say page. Yep. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, are you familiar with the creating and the publishing? Are you familiar?
No, I'm not.
Then let's go to the what is go to the keywords, like the prerequisites. Up, further up. Yep. We're assuming you're familiar with Git. That I think you are. Web development process. Google that.
Okay.
Yep. Information gathering, planning, design, content writing, assembly, coding, test review, launch, and maintenance. Now you know.
Okay.
So we will basically Figma will be doing the planning and design,
Uh-huh.
and the stakeholder will give you some kind of information gathering, or you yourself in the hackathon do that. And then content writing and assembly, basically someone. In our case, I cannot tell you we're doing a 20 this timer thing.
Mhm.
And then the front end guy do the coding, and the back end guy will do the test, review, and launch and maintenance.
I see. Okay.
Yep. So right now we are looking at the launch part.
Okay.
We didn't do the test part yet.
Hmm.
Yeah, which we're supposed to, but we didn't. That's okay. I just show you how to do the launch part.
Okay.
Yep. Now you do. And get started. There are two ways of getting it started. What's middleman? I don't know what's middleman.
Static site generator.
Interesting. So it's generated. Okay.
Hmm.
SSGs. What are SSGs? Oh,
Static
yeah,
site generator.
of course. Why they bothered to put them as abbreviations?
I don't know.
It's just, it's like in New Zealand. They abbreviate like everything. Like
Oh,
do you know what is uni?
hmm.
What is uni?
It's like college, university.
Like, do you guys say that?
No, we don't.
Nobody does, and they do.
Hmm.
Um,
Interesting.
yeah, they like in my lab they call it crow,
Mm-hmm.
and then the other lab they call it cisc.
Mm-hmm.
Like, could you just like, they leave people clueless.
Oh,
And the
it's
building,
easier.
yeah, and the building they will do that too.
Hmm.
Yeah, they will say SGB. Like, what's
SGB.
SGB? It is the building S and building J basement.
Huh?
Yeah, they will say something like that, and they will tell you the EF link. Yeah, it's terrible. Like, how they do it.
Confusing.
Yeah, WSG. Can you guess what that
Hmm.
is?
No idea.
Waikato Student Government.
Oh.
Yeah, they do all these super confusing ones, and I hate that. And they are always right because it's their land. Yep. If you want to understand further. Yep. No, let's keep going. Yep, there are group website. We are going to do the project website.
Mm-hmm.
Um, why it's talking about namespace? Yeah, I forgot about that. It's alright. About CI.
CI?
Yeah, what is CI?
Mm.
I used to laugh at it, dude. Remember I talked to you about Amazon, dude. Yeah, we play
Uh-huh.
games all the time. He doesn't know what a CI is, and he works on it every day.
He worked on it.
Yeah,
Huh.
and he call it pipeline.
Mm.
So I'm like, that's ridiculous. That's like you are driving this truck every day, and you don't know it's called like Caterpillar.
What is it though?
Yeah, it's highly weak. So it's basically automated testing.
Mm. Okay.
See, they will say something. Oh yeah, it's merging developers' working copies into a shared mainline several times a day. That's basically merging. That's the working
Uh-huh.
copies are your branches. They're so right that it's confusing,
Hmm.
and I think
Okay.
it's deliberate. It's vicious. Computer science people are evil.
Interesting. Okay.
Yeah, now, yeah, they're fine. After which automatically builds and tests. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Yep,
I see.
that's basically it.
Okay. Okay.
So imagine you are building a product, and
Mm-hmm.
right now we are building, see the logo
Mm-hmm.
display box. We can design we can ask the backend engineers to design a test to test whether the app has a logo, and it could be a script.
Mm-hmm.
So every time you commit, the script will automatically check whether your app displays a logo. If it's not, then you failed your CI pipeline. Basically, you failed your test runs.
I see. Okay.
Yeah, so that's continuous integration. So it's continuously automatically checking your commits, so to the main app, so the whole app still functions. And there are other tests for the whole app, like customer features and all that,
Mm-hmm.
requirements. And then if you do not satisfy those checks, then basically some kind of backend engineer will yet you say your app doesn't work.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay. That makes sense.
Yep. Actually, if you want to, if you get to know the CI, you probably want to know the test-driven development.
Hmm.
I'm surprised they didn't say that. So Google that.
Hmm.
Yep. So
So it's like the same thing, right? Just
yeah,
continuously
yeah,
testing.
basically what I said. But
Yeah.
test-driven development, in the primitive form, is not automated. Um, there's no cloud service providing it, so everything was run local. So some backend engineer will come in and press a button and run your code base. It will
Hmm.
tell you whether anything failed. In our C++ course, we had a software called Oracle. Basically,
Mm-hmm.
Jonathan Magnetic, Dr. Magnetic coded it up himself, and it will
Mm-hmm.
run and just yell at us if we failed any homework.
Oh,
Yeah, it
okay.
was brutal.
I see.
And then he asked,
So
you know,
yeah, CI is just like automated test-driven development.
the ECR, yep, basically put automation.
Okay.
And test driven has many parts. Actually, if you look a little down on this,
Mm-hmm.
maybe the development cycle. A little down. Yep. So there's unit test, and then there's also integration test.
Hmm.
It's not saying anything for now. Go down. Yeah. So there's some blah blah blah. Basically, the limitation is someone needs to code up the tests first.
Mm-hmm. I see. I see.
Yeah. And it's considered superior quality wise.
Mm-hmm.
And it's hard to do test driven development, especially for front end, because someone
Mm.
needs to come and look at it. You can code up some kind of bots, automatically press a button. Yeah, but it's very difficult. Only like Facebook or some kind of a bigger corporations do it.
I see.
Yeah,
Okay.
and now look unit test. Try search for unit test. Unit test. Yep. This is also called atomic testing. So like
Mm-hmm.
we were doing some kind of atomic actions, like 3 actions in one commit, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's not good. You're supposed to do 1 action in one commit. Otherwise you change too much code.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now imagine we are building a huge app and the top bar displays some kind of cool machine learning feature,
Mhm.
right? We removed it and all those work are gone. And someone else, while adding that, needs to modify your code. And
Mhm.
if your commit is partially integrated into the other one, so
Mhm.
aka your commit is not atomic, they need to change almost too much.
Mhm.
They also need to change this box display, the color theme, which like it doesn't make sense, right? I'm trying to change this banner and it changes um the same color. Why
Mhm.
is that? So that's why I was asking you to do atomic push like on the other hackathon.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, there's integration testing, so which is
Mhm.
performed before other unit testing methods such as integration testing. Yeah. Click on that.
Mhm.
Sign in for existing. No. Let's search for something else. Search it in Google. Yeah. No, thank you. This. Yeah. Blah 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 blah. Doesn't make much sense. So basically, um, integration test is the test before you uh put to deployment. Put the app to deployment.
Yeah.
So you test the whole thing, not just certain components. You test all the other ones.
Yeah. Everything together.
Yeah. So if we delete the top bar and then we put a box here, it might satisfy your unit tests, which they are, right?
Mhm.
But say there's a cool machine learning algorithm, change the logo depending on the time of the day, they will fail that test because you deleted it.
Mhm.
So the integration test will kind of point those out. Say, commit might be fine for the unit, like for the component, but it's removing too much other ones. It's causing trouble to the other components.
I see.
Yeah. So, and then why is called CI/CD?
Um. That's continuous integration or continuous integration and continuous deploy
Yeah, deployment.
deployment. Yeah.
So basically, some cloud service in a Docker
Mhm.
will run your test all the time. That's why it's called continuous.
Mhm.
And then after the integration test, if you pass everything, it will automatically deploy your app.
Hmm.
And we are doing the deployment part today.
Okay.
Yeah, so let's go back to now. Any questions? CI/CD?
Nope.
Yeah, okay, cool. So what we're trying to do is basically our app will build itself and it will be hosted at Gitlab automatically if you pass all the tests.
Mhm.
Yeah, if there is any test. Yeah, okay, so
Wait,
you don't.
what kind of tests would it be doing if it's like would we be writing the tests and what we want it to do, or like what kind of why would there be built-in tests?
Let's go back to the app. I will show you one test.
Okay.
Go to the terminal and open a new terminal.
Okay.
No, yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's all cool. And try Flutter test.
Flutter test.
Yeah, let's see run. You see it has a widget test dart. Now
Hmm.
command and click that. So it failed.
Mhm.
What has been failed? what has been failed, periodic, create, asynchronous, aka synchronous at ellipse 7 frames. Exception called by Flutter test framework. A timer is still pending even after the widget tree was disposed. So that's a fail. So there's one issue there. Another counter increment smoke test failed. Some inspection occurred. The test description was counter increment smoke test. Some tests failed. Yep. Now let's go to this test file. So scroll further up. It was there actually, now it's gone. That's alright. Actually go to your folder files. Yeah, bottom top left, yep. Test. Yep. Click on this. Close your terminal, yep. Yep, those are your tests. So there's one generated test basically saying it's testing the counter increment. Since our widget has a timer and it's triggering a exception, and then that failed the test. So if we put this Flutter test command in the Gitlab CI YAML, it will run automatically. You will see something like this. And then since it failed, it will say things failed.
Wait, was this test? It was written automatically, or did you like?
I generated this app using their boilerplate. So this comes with the app. I didn't write it. Well, technically I did because I ran the command, but I didn't write those.
I see. Okay.
Yeah. And those are just some like dummy test.
Yeah.
So you tap the plus button once, verify that our counter has been incremented. Yep, that's all to the backend.
Okay, so usually, like, let's say in a hackathon, would we have to be writing our own tests then?
Wow, if you are that good, if you can write up, all those tests and deployment really fast.
Okay.
Yeah, technically, I would be happy. I would be a happy developer for you if you say if I'm the front end dude and you can write those tests like high quality wise. Yeah, you can write them up. I can just let it run and then some test has been done automatically, so I know my app there's something wrong. Some test has been done automatically, so I know my app there's something wrong in my app. I can fix it. That's like an oracle.
I see. Okay.
Yeah, but I guess as you keep going to different hackathons, you get the touch of it, and then you keep going to different hackathons, you get the touch of it, and then you probably have a good idea of what to write for roughly every app, and then it just flows. Yeah. Well, we can try it this time if you want to give it a shot.
Yeah, I mean, if we have time, I guess.
I
Right.
mean, your job would be writing those tests only. I will write up the other ones to kind of fulfill your test. But the thing is, you need to make sure those tests satisfy certain requirement. So, for example, imagine you are doing a counter app. Someone just wants a counter. And he will come to our team and say, yeah, we need a counter. And then we do some kind of analysis, and then we decide to put a button there. This would be one of the tests.
I see. Okay.
Yeah. So you need to at least the back engineer needs to have an idea of how to implement those tests to make sure our quality, our app has a good quality before
Okay.
it's deployed to the customer.
I see.
Yeah. Well, even better practice would be you come in, write those first, and then somebody else starts the development.
Oh,
Starts
like
to
based
develop.
on.
Yeah, that would be cool,
Mm-hmm.
right? So that would be the TDD, test driven development.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, but generally, um, especially in hackathons like ours, people are not that
Mm-hmm.
good. They don't even
Mm-hmm.
know how to write those tests. They don't even know how to write the actual app,
Hmm.
right? Not to mention how to write those tests. They are like
Mm-hmm.
higher level of skills.
I see.
Yeah. Now, so now you know how to write the tests.
Okay.
Yeah, and then those are the dummy tests that needs to be modified for our app.
So this is just one test, right? So there would be ideally like multiple of these files with
Exactly,
one.
exactly. Multiple
Okay.
of those ones, and you should test all the aspects of the app.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then if it passed all, and then it will automatically be deployed.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Now let's go to the CI/CD thing.
Okay.
Now, if you click on the GitLab CI configuration file, yep.
Oh.
Yep. Yes, looks like the deployed GitHub. I actually have one. Let me send it to you.
Okay.
Let's see. Which one does have it? Pretty much a while back, I think. mm, No. Oh yeah, this one could work. So, um, where I could see all the chats. Yeah, copy that.
Copy.
Yeah, copy and copy that.
Okay. What am I doing with this?
Create a file at a root directory. Yeah, but maybe not there. You're selecting the test. Yeah.
Oh, where do I want it?
Yeah. Now you can click on that new file thing. Yeah.
Oh.
And then name it .gitlab, and then hyphen CI .yaml. Yeah. Yep. And yep. So this basically does this. So it's pulling down a Docker image of the iPhone Linux, and in this Linux it will run the echo command, nothing to do. And if there's anything created, put it. If there's anything needed, fetch it from the path public, which you don't have yet.
Mm-hmm.
This script will be only run if it's on the master. That's racist according to the Black Lives Matters.
Oh.
Yeah, you remember that? Did you?
Yeah, a bit.
There was a moment like I think 2 years ago, they changed
Yeah.
everything to Ming.
Hmm.
Yeah, so let's not be racist. Only Ming.
Great.
The only you say the hyphen master change that to Ming.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so basically a branch name, whatever branch name. Yeah. Now save it.
And,
Yep. Now commit this.
oh,
Yep. Click on that. What do we have down here?
add CI YAML file.
Yep. There we go.
Okay. Good.
Yep.
Sync.
Yep.
Okay.
Wait, did you switch branch?
I
I don't think I
don't
tell
know.
you to. Now what do? We commit some file to a different branch.
But did we switch branches? How do you know? How do you know that? Like, what do you see?
Go to the terminal, type git branch. Why your bottom bar is up there? Oh yeah. Yep. Yeah, we're on the Figma branch, which is not the right one. So try git fetch.
Hmm?
Try git fetch.
Yeah.
Yep. Now try look at the bottom left. On the status bar. Like VS Code status bar. You see there's a 2 Figma. Yeah, click on that. Yep, there's 1 static hosting. Yeah, click on that.
Okay.
Yep. So you switch branch for us.
I see.
Now copy that and redo that. Yeah. There should be a no, we don't have the file. There's nothing, no change. You see it's striked out. Yeah.
Can I close this?
Yeah.
Why is this sketched out?
Because there's no such file.
Oh, okay.
So we switched the branch.
Right.
Yeah, you had to redo it. Yeah. Yeah, you forgot to put a dot in front.
Oh.
Yeah, it's just their naming convention.
Can I edit it here?
I think so.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
Okay.
There we go. Now you have configuration YAML. Now let's go back to the thing. Yep. So you control build, yes. Add Jack JQL plugin, okay. Can have a distinct for each repo, of course. For your push to a project, you can validate this syntax called CRLint. Oh, didn't know that. You need to be logged into account, which is fine. That's all right. Let's go keep going. creating new GitLab page to this project. Create new project, add a configuration file. That's what you did. Upload your website content. That's actually we haven't do that. I don't think so.
What does that mean?
So go to our VS Code thing. You see it's asking for artifact in the public directory. We don't have that. So you need to create a directory. And you also need to, if you type in Flutter build, yep. And then we need to build a web app bundle to this folder. And yeah, try search Flutter GitLab page, yeah. Deploy something, yeah. Yep. There we go. So Git is the source control. I think you know that. Review, beta, release. Okay. What is he trying to say? As additional step, it is also deployed continuously, though the deployments are triggered manually. No, the deployments are not triggered manually. Yeah, he's contradicting himself.
What?
Your app? Oh, I think I know what he's trying to say. He's giving you some kind of introduction. Now imagine you have all the CI pipelines, but your deployments are triggered manually. So what he's trying to say is you build the app, test it. If you have the CI, automatically they test it. But to deploy this app to a certain website or a certain web store, you need to do it manually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So
but
it's just
yeah, but the language is a little spaghetti-ish.
okay. So this would be like the opposite of continuous deployment.
So I think the word though should be like instead. Instead of deploying it manually.
Okay. Sure.
This method ensures the check. No, that's not continuous. That's manual deployment. Yeah. Well, he is. I mean, he's not perfect in this, I guess. And then continuous is also a step up to continuous difference. Instead of deploying your app manually, you say, "Oh, now he starts to talk." You set it to be deployed automatically. It does not require human intervention. Yeah. So this two paragraph is just bad writing.
I see. This is like it's just two different options. Like you can either have continuous delivery where it's automated, like the
Oh, you're
continuous.
right. That's not a deployment, it's delivery. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, so it's like one or the other.
Let's Google what's continuous delivery. I don't think he's onto something. Gotta change all types, including new features, configuration, backfix, and into production in the bundle safely, quickly, in a suitable way. Ways to make deployment. Often I share with everyone. How is that different from continuous deployment? So continuous delivery versus continuous deployment. I don't like this website. It's very sketchy. Yeah. Yep. Continuous delivery. Is there a natural extension or integration? Makes the assumption that agile development is a synonym.
Oh, what?
Exactly. I see. He's making up shades for us. That's what I thought. It should be the same thing.
Huh.
Yep. So I think they're the same.
Okay. Wait.
Yeah. So that is not so scholar-ish. Like he needs some reference.
Hmm.
So be careful while you are reading.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you have old Mac info, let's keep going down what he's trying to say. Yeah, so that's the CI/CD pipeline, exactly. Test, build, deploy. Yep. Homebrew, you already installed that. GitLab Runner, you already have that. Actually, I have that for you already.
Okay.
So keep going down, keep going down. No, that's it. No, that's yeah. So it's clickbait. Yep. Let's go back to Google, I guess. Don't trust Medium. Yeah, this one looks better. Continuous delivery, yeah. This is from the Flutter team. Yep. Click on the GitLab. There are two of these too. Continuous delivery, continuous deployment.
Oh, what?
Yeah, what is
Should
this? Click on this. Steps beyond continuous, not only your operation beyond transition, blah, blah, blah. However, this is exactly what he copy pasted from. Right, it's from the GitLab code. Checks on automatic request. Yeah, that's exactly from his code. From his.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Laura. So it's GitLab convention, I guess. They just call it continuous delivery.
Okay. I mean, it defines a difference here. It's similar, but the difference is that.
It's automatic, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's click on the continuous delivery. I didn't know that. I have no idea how it goes to this
Same one
sketchy
thing.
website. Yeah, let's go back.
Okay.
Yep. So keep going down. And it should show you something. Oh, that's exactly what he copy pasted from. Keep going down. Keep going down. No, that's it. Where's the Flutter? I don't see any Flutter. Oh, this is not the page. I'm sorry. No, no. The other one. I think. Where's
Wait.
the Flutter? Yeah. Go here and then Gitlab.
I think that's what I clicked. That's the same thing.
So it's giving us try search for Flutter. No, there's
No.
nothing. So we are told. Yeah, it's not here. I can give you one. Give me 1 sec.
Okay.
Flutter. I remember you took a little trick. Into public folder. How did I do it actually? Actually try this, see what it does. Give me 1 second. Try this.
Release not found.
What is that supposed to mean? Let's go with that. Oh.
Okay.
Try search where does Flutter build where does Flutter build
Release.
web release or something? Yeah, that's all hosting thing. Nope, nope. We don't need yep. Wait.
Hmm?
Go up. Yeah, step 1. Let's go down. Yeah, that's alright. Choose Flutter. Yeah, that's alright. Wait. Did it say choose? Oh, never mind. Yeah, keep going down. Yeah, I know Firebase as well, but yeah, select. Wait, what does it say? Select what?
Hmm?
Select on existing. Okay, keep going down. Choose build web as single page app. Yeah, that's fine. Keep going down. Fully Flutter web. Oh yeah, he just skipped it.
Wait, skip what?
Like how do you deploy Flutter web to Firebase? Where is the web app being built? Didn't see anything. Like keep going down. Oh, this might be helpful. Flutter. Keep going down. Flutter web related to GitHub. Oh, okay. So it's built in. Keep going down. Keep going down further. Keep going down. Yeah. So that's Peanut, I think it's called. Yeah, this peanut is like what is this peanut? I didn't know. Let's look at this. At least that's not how I built it. Let me see. Flutter build web pages branch with compiler for the Dart web app. Supports public build. Yep, it's not useful to us
Why not?
because it's posting to the GitHub page. We are using the GitLab page.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nope. Wait, is he using Peanut again? Is he using Peanut again?
What the fuck?
Netlify. Let's go down and yeah, use the same Peanut. Generate realize generate branch. Oh. Ah, okay. Interesting. All right, cool. But that's not what we want. Let's keep going down. Code magic. What is code magic? Okay. Now there's Amazon via code magic. That's not helpful. Yep, so I think he doesn't know how to do it.
Oh.
All right, but I do. Let me tell
Okay.
you. Let me tell you the answer. Give me 1 second.
Okay, I can stay for like 5 more minutes.
All right, I will show you, and then you just do it, and then we get it down. Which one did I use? Flutter Dart? No, that's not Flutter. It's giving me the same one. Not Dart. Reviewer. Oh, let's try Reviewer. Yep. Here we go. That's all the homework you need to do. Let's see.
Hmm.
Yeah, copy the
That's good.
whole.
Oh.
Yeah. I think there is if you move your cursor to the right of this black box thing, there should be a little clip, little button over here where you can just copy, but I don't know where that is. Never mind, just do that.
Okay, is this the file that we had before? Like the CI file?
Yep, in the YAML configuration.
Okay. So
What's
just replace
YAML
this.
stand for? Yet another markup language. Yeah, that's YAML.
Okay.
Yep. Remember to not be racist. Yep. Actually, if you remove this line, it will run on every single one. But don't do it.
Okay.
Yeah. So I will explain what it does. So you will run the test. This stage 1. After pass
Mm-hmm.
the test stage, you will do the deploy. Deploy stage is anything after the stage. For the deploy stage, you will pull a different image called circuit CI, and I'm not sure they are right or wrong because it sounds racist because the Flutter channel is still called master, probably absolutely obsolete now. What it does, it will enable the web configuration for this current project. It will build the web. It will make a public folder.
Mm-hmm.
I forgot why I have to do this, but you have to do this. Otherwise, it would not work.
Okay.
Very strange. And then you need to copy everything for the .build web to this public file. And then you need to move everything inside this folder to this public folder. And the public folder is where all your web app is being built into.
Mm-hmm.
And then that will be deployed to the GitLab page.
Mm.
Now save it. Probably doesn't run, but if it doesn't run, that's all right. Yeah, commit that.
Mm.
It will fail because the test will fail. We already know that. Yep.
Okay.
Yep. So, do we have a public folder? We don't. You need to create that folder. Actually, let me think. Actually, there might be another way of doing it. If you can change the artifacts path to, well, okay, I think I know why. Because the GitLab page is searching for public. You have to make this. Yeah, I think so. Yep. Not the dot. Remove the dot. The dot. This script will create one. Yep. That's good enough. And you need to put a dot git keep file inside this folder. Otherwise, yeah, git keep. Yep. Otherwise, you will not keep this folder. Now commit.
Mm.
Yep. I should make a machine learning AI automatically write message for me.
Yeah.
Because that's what you did. You summarize and put a message there. Yeah, it might be useful. Take a lot of work, probably. Yep.
Okay.
All right. Have fun with your meeting. And when are we meeting again? Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Before, could you let me know like what time that thing is, like through Google Calendar thing, and basically send me an invite with whatever time works for you, and then I will let you know if it works for me or not.
Okay. Wait. So you want me to put like the start of the hackathon, and then did you?
Or a meeting before the start of the hackathon, whatever suits you, basically.
Okay. What? Just an hour?
something like that. Whatever suits you.
Yeah, I think I can make that work.
Cool.
All right, thank you.
All right, my pleasure. Have fun.
Bye.
And yeah.